Ever felt like the roadmap to riches is a well-guarded secret exclusively for the privileged few? What if I told you that the conventional wisdom of work hard, save, get educated might just be a part of the puzzle, not the whole picture? Imagine discovering a blueprint redefining the path to wealth, a strategy the affluent use but rarely shared in textbooks or classrooms. Intrigued? By the end of this short video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make millions of dollars. What secret do the wealthy know that we don't? It's simple. They don't play by the conventional rules. While we've been taught to depend on a steady job, save every penny, and avoid risks, the wealthy are playing a different game altogether. They're the masters of leveraging resources, be it money, knowledge, or networks. Take action. Start thinking about how you can leverage your assets, be it time, skills, or money. Look for investment opportunities or side hustles that can generate more income than a traditional job or savings account. It's a widespread belief that governments hold the reins of the global economy. However, the truth is more nuanced. The global economy is like an intricate web spun not just by governments, but also by banks, investment firms, and even individual decisions. Understanding this interplay is like gaining a new lens to view the world of money. A lens that can show you opportunities where others see obstacles. Take action. Stay informed about global economic trends and understand how they affect your investments and the job market. This knowledge can help you make smarter financial decisions. Financial institutions, think banks, investment firms, and central banks, are like the gatekeepers of the monetary world. They wield immense power, from creating money to setting interest rates. But here's the kicker. You can learn to navigate this system to your advantage. Imagine understanding money flow like a seasoned banker, spotting opportunities to grow your wealth where others see dead ends. Take action. Educate yourself about how financial systems work. Understand how interest rates affect loans and investments, and use this knowledge to make informed economic choices, like when to take a loan or invest. Ever wonder why traditional education rarely produces financially savvy individuals? That's because the fundamental rules of money aren't taught in schools. The wealthy often turn to self-education, learning from mentors and real-world experiences. What if you could access this hidden curriculum and start playing the money game with the playbook of the successful? Take action. Seek knowledge outside traditional education. Read books, attend workshops, and follow successful entrepreneurs to learn about wealth building. Debt is often seen as a financial boogeyman. However, for the wealthy, it's a tool to amplify opportunities. Understanding how to use debt and the intricacies of the tax system can turn what seems like a burden into a powerful ally in wealth building. Imagine shifting your perspective on debt from fear to a strategic tool in your financial arsenal. Take action. Learn the difference between good and bad debt. Use good debt, like business loans and mortgages, to create value and increase your net worth. How do the wealthy tackle financial problems? They see them as opportunities. Adopting a proactive mindset towards economic challenges can open doors to solutions you have yet to consider. What if you could train your mind to see financial hurdles not as roadblocks, but as stepping stones to more incredible wealth? Take action. Adopt a proactive approach to financial problems. Instead of avoiding them, look for creative solutions that can turn a situation to your advantage. In finance, your reputation can open doors or slam them shut. A solid financial reputation means better access to credit, investment opportunities, and business partnerships. It's about making strategic decisions and exhibiting responsible economic behavior. Imagine having a financial reputation so robust that opportunities seek you out. Take action, maintain a good credit score, pay your debts on time, and make strategic financial decisions. This reputation will open doors to better credit terms and investment opportunities. Every financial decision comes with a price. The wealthy understand this better than anyone. They focus on long-term benefits rather than short-term gains, recognizing that actual wealth building involves sacrifice. How would your financial decisions change if you started weighing them with a long-term perspective? Take action. When making financial decisions, consider their long-term impact. Invest in assets that appreciate over time, even sacrificing short-term pleasures. If this video was helpful, let us know your thoughts in a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.